Understanding Lis Pendens, a guide to property litigation notices. A lis pendens is an official notice indicating that a lawsuit involving a claim on a property has been filed. This Latin term translates to suit pending, and it serves as a legal warning that the ownership of a particular property is under dispute. Key features of Lis Pendens. 1. Public notice. A lis pendens acts as constructive notice to potential buyers that there is a pending litigation related to the property. Essentially, anyone interested in purchasing the property must understand that ongoing legal claims may affect their ownership rights. 2. Inherited liabilities. If an individual purchases a property that has a lis pendens attached, they may inherit the responsibilities of the lawsuit, which can pose significant risks. For instance, if a property owner loses the lawsuit, the new owner might be forced to relinquish the property or deal with financial liabilities stemming from the case. 3. Common occurrences. Lis pendens are frequently filed in several common scenarios. Divorce cases. In situations where real estate is part of divorce proceedings and the distribution of assets is uncertain, a lis pendens may be filed to prevent one spouse from selling the property without consent from the other. Foreclosure. Lenders typically file a lis pendens as a preliminary notice when a borrower defaults on their mortgage. It alerts potential buyers to the fact that the property is in danger of foreclosure. Contract disputes. Disputes over property transactions can also lead to lis pendens filings, particularly when one party believes another is unlawfully attempting to sell the property. The mechanics of filing a lis pendens. Who can file? Any individual or entity that believes they have a legal claim to a property can file a lis pendens, but a pending lawsuit must exist for it to be considered valid. This requirement ensures that constructive notice is only provided when there is legitimate underlying litigation. Filing process. The process of filing a lis pendens typically follows these two steps. 1. Lawsuit filing. A lawsuit concerning the property must first be officially filed with the county clerk. 2. Recording the lis pendens. Once the lawsuit is initiated, the lis pendens must be recorded in the county's land records, effectively attaching it to the property's title. Legal considerations. Each state has different laws regarding lis pendens, including specific language and procedural requirements for filing. Due to the complexity of the document, it's often advisable for individuals to consult with a real estate attorney to ensure accuracy and compliance. Frequently asked questions about lis pendens. What is the purpose of lis pendens? The primary purpose is to notify potential buyers that there is a legal claim against the property. This helps protect the rights of claimants and informs buyers of potential issues before they make a purchase. What does discharge of lis pendens mean? A discharge of lis pendens signifies that the claimed lawsuit is resolved, meaning the property is no longer encumbered by pending litigation. This can happen if the lawsuit is won, settled, or withdrawn. Who issues lis pendens? Lis pendens can be issued by anyone with a claim to the property, provided a relevant lawsuit is pending. Filing is done through the clerk of court in the county where the property is located. Final thoughts. A lis pendens serves an essential function in real estate law, providing transparency concerning ongoing legal disputes related to property ownership. For property buyers and owners alike, understanding lis pendens is crucial for effective risk management when engaging in real estate transactions. Engaging with a legal professional can ensure that all required processes are thoroughly navigated, safeguarding one's interests in property ownership during litigation.